Hello guys, welcome to Deep Learning. Today I will teach you how you run Metasploitable2 in Macbook. So first of all you have to download Metasploitable2 image. Then after the downloading you have to convert the Metasploit image in QEMU image like this. Right? If you don't know how to convert it, so the link is in description. And take a look on that video. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so click on UTM, open UTM. After open UTM, click on new create, emulate and others, and skip on ISO boot. Next, and your memory, I think I need only 100. Okay, 1020. Okay, then next, 64 GB. Okay, next, no, read and only, no, yes, next, and save. Okay, so now you have to edit this. Okay, so go to edit and here delete this and import new one. New one is this one. Okay, this is a converted file, right? This one is converted file, and so open it and save it. Okay, that's it. Okay, then save it. Now and one more thing, go to QEMU and uncheck UEFI port. Okay, and save it, then run. Let's wait. It's taking some time, depend on your internet speed, and okay, everything is going to be okay.